Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E20. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. At the beginning, enter Google Pay. Tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. In here you've got all options in your area. For example, select IKEA and scan your card. You can also enter details manually. Then we've got gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty. Select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap save. And the last one is public transport. If you find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.